In this video, we will show you how to customize the controls on your Venu Sq2 series smartwatch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools such as assistants, Find My Phone, and timers. To access the controls on your watch, press and hold the light button in the upper right. Here you can see the default controls options. Press and hold the bottom button to customize the controls menu. To remove a control, touch a control, then touch the trash can icon. To add a control, press the plus sign, then scroll through and touch the control you would like to add. If you would like to change the order of the controls, touch a control, then touch another control to swap their positions. You can repeat these steps to make more edits to the controls menu. When you are done making changes to the controls, press the bottom button. This will save your changes. And that's it. You can now customize the controls on your Venu Sq2 series smartwatch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.